Bob Newhouse from Waldan Gardens. We're located in Wainfleet, Ontario. We are potted plant producers. We are a third-generation family business. I grew up in the vegetable business, and in 1999 we ventured into the greenhouse industry. We started with 36,000 square feet, and we've just recently completed an expansion. We're now at 320,000 square feet. In 2015, we started looking at solutions to our rising energy costs. We met with our electrician who took us to a local installation that was using a cogen project provided by Martin Energy.
We looked at their power needs and came up with a solution using a single generator that could power the expansion and also could be used to power their existing operations and give them power off-grid, which is separate from the utility. We helped them with some calculations to show the payback and the cost savings. Waldan decided to order a 150 kW natural gas generator with heat recovery systems in the form of hot water. This hot water could be stored in a storage tank they already had on site.
We estimate that we've reduced purchased energy by 75%, and the cost of our energy has been reduced by over 50%.
His records since the system has been installed and running show the engine to be even a bit more efficient than what was projected.
Overall, we're very satisfied with the results that we've had with Martin Energy equipment. And if you're looking for a solution to your energy needs, I would recommend Martin Energy Group.